An ancient legend tells of the Greek king Midas, who was known for his greed and stupidity. This king temporarily possessed the gift of turning everything he touched into gold. Well, we at Professor's Laboratory can't grant you that wish, but if you are looking for a way to grab coins out of thin air, we've got something for you. Together with the young magician Henry Heinz, we would like to introduce you to a gimmick that will take your coin magic to a new level. No matter if you work close up at the table or want to make endless coins appear on big stages. After playing around with his method for just a few minutes, it was immediately clear to me this product is something for Professor's Laboratory. And so we started collecting ideas and thinking about how we could best present the whole thing to you. And after an astonishingly short time, a set was created which we would like to present to you today. Each set consists of 2 gimmicks and a clever construction which can be flexibly adapted by you and thus greatly simplifies the application and demonstration. Everything was handmade by us and can be easily adapted, repaired or extended in just a few moments. The gimmicks are really that simple. The set also includes the necessary spare parts and an instruction video in which Henry explains his experiences and ideas. But that's not all, because as a guest artist we have Jacob von Winterfeld, an absolute coin virtuoso, and of course me, your professor. Together we will provide you with some possible applications, ideas and variations. Now all we needed was a suitable name, but thanks to you, the online community, we have found something suitable. We present to you Hand of Midas.